Hello everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to explain next concept of our multi-threading. I hope you have seen my last video. In that already have explained all possible cases of thread execution. In that I'll explain performing single task from single thread, performing single task from multiple thread, performing multiple tasks from single thread which is not valid. But last case guy, I explain performing multiple tasks with multiple thread. I hope you have seen my that video guy. So today I am going to explain thread class naming related method again. Okay, this 7 number. I'm going to explain thread class naming related method. So what all the method comes under our naming related or basic method of our multi-threading guy. Guys, see, let's move our slide. Guys, you can see this is our complete agenda of today's discussion. So basic method of multi-threading, that is run method, start method, already I've explained. One more time I will explain, don't worry. So this will revision for you. Then guys, current thread method, which is static method in our thread class. Then guys, is live, the fourth method comes under our basic method of multi-threading. Then guys, these two methods also important, that is naming based method of multi-threading. So get name, set name, how we are going to get the name of thread, how you are going to set the name of thread. If you would like to set custom name as per your requirement, as per your understanding, as per your knowledge, how you're going to set the respective thread, so you can use set name method. Right guys, so complete the things I will explain in this video. So without any further delay, we'll move. So first method, that is run method, already I explained couple of coding also, and what is the exact run method also explained in previous video guys. But one more time for your understanding, I will what explain one more time. So guys, you know very well, right? The run method in Java is the entry point guy, correct? So if you would like to create a thread, that means definitely we need to what override run method. Only we can get what thread guy. So that means guy, the run method in Java is the entry point for thread execution. It contains guy the code that will execute when the thread is started, because when you're going to call a start method, only this run method will invoked. So guys, the run method is defined in the runnable interface. Already I've explained in the guy debug mode, right? So this run method is defined in the runnable interface, which is abstract method guy, and is implemented by thread class. When creating a new thread guy, you can either extend the thread class or implement the runnable interface, right? And override run method to define our thread behaviors. This thing completely explained end to end. I hope you have seen my video guy. Then guy, when you call the start method guy, yes or no, after creating the object of our class, then guy we can call a start method on a thread object. It creates a new thread and then calls the run method. In that new thread guy, if you call the run method directly, it will be executed in the current thread and no new thread will be created guy. That thing you need to keep in mind guys. This is important point. Then guys, what is start method? Already I've told you, if you want to what activate the run method, so guys you need to call the start method guy. Due to start method only we can call internally run method. That same thing I mentioned here guys. In Java, the start method is used to initiate the execution of thread, okay? Because it what activate our run method when called a thread object. Okay? It doesn't execute the code within the run method guy. It will what initiate. Yes or no guy? The start method requests the Java virtual machine to create a new thread of execution. That thing internally happening. We are calling only start method, but internally guy, this method requests the JVM to create a new thread by calling run method. Correct guy? Yes. Then guys, see, I have explained this thing also in previous video guy. So how to create a thread, what is run method, what is start method guy. You can see our some step are there guy. The guy who is coming first time, so please watch my previous video guy. Then you will come to know very easily this video guy. So you see there are 4 steps. There are 4 steps to create thread guy. So first step guy, extend our class, maybe thread class or with implement our runnable interface. First step guys. Second step, you need to override run method. Correct? Then guys, third step, you need to create the object of our what my thread class. Correct guys? See, this is our guy my thread class. So you need to create the object of our my thread class. Once you create the object of my thread class, then guys you can call thread.start. Guys, you can see. So guys, if you're going to call thread.start guy, so start a thread and execute run method in a new thread guy. So internally guy, it call the run method. If you call guy thread.run, so execute the run method in the current thread guy, it is null method guy. It will execute null method only. It's not creating any thread guy. That thing you keep in mind guy. Today also guy, I will show you all this example guy. Okay, all the example I will show in the IDE. So don't worry. First I will explain our background of this thread guy. Guys, see, in our agenda today I will explain also current thread. What is current thread method in our Java guy? So guys, see, the current thread method in Java is a static method. Keep in mind, already I mentioned this thing guy. See, prototype. What? Public static thread current thread guy. This is a static method. You know very well. If the method is static, that means you can call this method with the class name. Yes or no guy? I will show guy once I will what? Run our application. Once I will execute our application guy. So that's why I mentioned guy, the current thread method in Java is a static method of thread class that returns a reference to the currently executing thread. It will give a reference of current executing thread. It allows you to obtain information and perform operation on the thread that is currently running on the code guy. That means you can get with the help of what is the get name. You can get the name of the current thread. You can set the current thread. All things guys you can do with the help of current thread method guy. Then guys, see what is the common used behavior. What is common? What? Why we are going to use this current thread method guy? So guys, you can see logging and debugging to identify the current thread for tracking execution flow guy. If you're going to call current thread method, then you can identify the current thread for tracking execution flow guy. That means logging and debugging purpose guy. Second thing guy, you can use for current thread purpose of thread specific operation guy to access or modify thread local variable or properties guy. All the point guy you should keep in mind, because anybody asks you why you are going to use current thread method, what is the benefit? Yes or no? Then guys, synchronization and coordination to manage access to shared resources among multiple threads. That purpose also you can use current thread method guy. Guys, see then is alive guy. This is alive is also one important method in our thread class guy. So guys, this is alive method in Java what is used to check whether a thread is currently running or has completed its execution. Okay, main thing just understand, this is alive method is used to check whether a thread is currently running or has completed its execution, and guys, it returns true if the thread has been started and has not yet terminated. Means start before terminate, it will give the response true, and guys, if otherwise guys, it will false. You know very well, right? Then guy, a thread is considered alive from the moment its start method guy. Once a start method you can call, then thread comes to the what? A status guy in live state guy. Then guy, until it completes it runs method or is terminated by an exception guy. If you get any exception, that guy it may terminate. Guys, see what the purpose for this thread guy? So it determines if a thread is active or not. Guys, see, then guy return value guy. So you know very well the name itself is alive. It will check it's is alive or it's what? Dead guy. So it will give boolean value for what guy? Output. Correct guy. Then next guy usage. What is the use of is alive method guy? So guy, this method is used to synchronize or coordinate the execution of multiple threads, ensuring that one thread doesn't proceed until another is finished. That's the main use of is alive method. That is also I will explain without code guy. So whatever things I am going to explain here guy, so everything I will show with the example with the code guy. Don't worry. Guys, see then only I mention you naming based method of our multi-threading. Guys, get name. So guys, this as the name refers guy, the Java thread get name method returns this thread name guy. The name itself guy, it refers what? Get name. It will give the name of our what? Thread guy. Then get prototype. Guys, this is the prototype means public string get name. Guys, see this is what don't know any argument we are passing in that guy. That is default guy. That is get name method. With this method we can get the name of thread guy. So guy, in real time guy, what is the scenario for this guy? The get name method can be used for guy logging and monitoring purpose, because logging and monitoring purpose you need to find out what thread it's working guy, which thread is invoking it, what is the name of this thread. So guy, that's why you can see here logging and monitoring purpose we may use this what guy get name method to find the thread name. Then guy set name. So guy, same guy reverse. If you want to find the name of any thread guy, so first you need to set the name guy. If you would like to guy override the existing thread name, then guy you need to call set name method guy. This method used to set the name of thread. By using the set name guy, you need to pass your modify what thread name guy. That's why you can see here it expect one what guy parameter a string name. You need to pass the name, that name will override the existing thread name guy. Okay, this method takes guy single argument already mentioned guy, which is the new name for the respective thread, what thread you're going to update. Guys, see prototype of the thread guy, public void set name and one string name it expect guy. Guy, that's it for this video guy, but it's not complete guy. As of now I will explain all the things what I explain here with code base guy. So guy, now let's move to our code base. Guys, see, so you know very well guy how to create the class guy. So already I have created one package guy for our multi-threading coding guy. So guys, this place I will come and create guy one class, create guy. So guys, see in this coding guy I am going to explain all the basic method name of multi-threading. That's why guy I can keep the name of the class guy basic method test, basic method of multi-threading. Basic method of multi-threading guy. Okay, we can keep main method finish. So guys, see we have done our first step, correct? Yes guy, please be concentrated. It's very easy guy but very important guy for fresher, intermediate, experience also, because you need to understand how all the method we are going to use in our multi-threading. Guys, see guy, for fresher I am telling this thing. So whenever if you're going to start your class, definitely guy this class should be closed guy. So guy, here close the class guy, correct? Close the class guy. This thing comes under our coding standard guy. So if you're a fresher guy, so you may do mistake such a thing. Sometimes you're opening the class, you are not closing the class. That time you may get some error guy. So please be concentrated guy. Whenever if you're going to write any program guy, so you need to check it's opening, it's closing properly or not guy. So guy, this is our method close. Yes, guy, this is main method close, correct? Yes guys, see now I'm going to get first I will do guy our threading guy. Yes or no? So guy, if you would like to create a thread, guy, first step guy you know very well, extend our class from thread class, or guy you need to implement our class from runnable interface. So guy, as of now I am going to extend our class from the thread class guy. That's why I'm writing guy extends thread guy. I hope you understood, correct? Yes guys, this first step guy we have done. Then guy, next step already I've explained so many times, you need to override run method. If you will not override run method, that means you will not get flavor of multi-threading. Yes okay, you will not get the flavor of multi-threading. Definitely you need to override our run method, correct guy? Yes guys, see public void run, correct guy? Yes I have created guy. Same thing I have told you guy. So whenever you're closing and opening and closing guy, you can write what close run method. Yes or no guy? Close run method. Guys, see, if you're writing this thing initially, not such a experience guy, I'm telling for fresher. Okay, if you're writing in such a way, your confusion will not there guy, where it started, where it's closed guy. Yes or no guy? Yes. Then guys, see, in this I can write guy some statement. Yes or no? I can write some statement, so by which you can understand our child thread created or not created guy. So guys, see, I'm writing here sys out child thread created. Yes or no guy? Yes. Okay, please be concentrated. It's very very easy guy, very very easy if you concentrate. Correct guy? Yes. Then guy, you know very well how to create thread guy. That is our second step done. First step, you need to what? Extend your class from thread class or run your interface. First step. Second step guy, you need to override run method. Done guy. Then guy, third step, what guy? You need to create the object of our class guy. You need to create the object of our class guy. See, this is our guy, our class. Correct? Yes. So guy, I am going to create the object of this class guy. This guys, see, I'm writing a basic what? Method of multithreading. Yes, okay? Basic method of multithreading. Basic method of multithreading. That's why I'm writing BMOM. Okay, then new our class name. Correct guy? Okay, that means we have created our object of our class guy. Correct? Yes. Then guy, you know very well, right? So if you will call run method, that means you need to call one start method. That start method is available inside our thread class. Okay, yes or no? So guys, BMOM, right? Basic method of multithreading dot. Guys, see, you can see here a start method coming on guy. This method comes from a thread class. Correct? Yes. Guys, see, if you will call a start method only, you can get the flavor of thread guy. Only you can get child thread will create. All I've told you guys, this start method internally called the run method. Guys, see, if you will get comment this line and you call guy BMOM dot run method, then guy it will not create a thread. Only you can see this response, but thread will not create a guy. Correct guy? This thing already I have explained guy earlier also. But guy, I want to see some result guy for main method also guy. Main thread guy, you know very well that this is guy our main thread. This main thread is created by JVM. So I would like to see here what main thread is printing guy. Yes or no? Guys, see sys out, right? Sys out. Guys, see, this is our what? Print statement guy. In this guy, I am going to print what? Main thread. Yes or no guy? Main thread, which is called by our JVM, because you can see here I didn't call any method to print this statement guy, but guy, for this child thread I have called what? BOM dot start. Only you can see this result guy. So guy, this system dot println main thread will come what? By JVM call guy, because JVM call internally our main method, that is main thread guy. Yes or no guy? So guys, see, till this I will run the application. We will see first what result is printing guy. This thing already I have explained previous video as well guy, you can see, because this thread is main thread. This is called by JVM internally. Then guy, child thread created guy, this we have done guy, you can see here BMOM dot start. Correct? That's why guy, you can see this thread guy. You can see one thing, if I am going to comment this guy, please be concentrated. If I am going to comment this line guy, now we'll run the application. Guys, see, this time only main thread will execute. You can see guys, see, because if we are not going to call a start method, that means this run method internally not invoked. Yes or no guy? Internally not called guy. Correct? Yes. Get till I hope you should not have any confusion. Correct? Yes. Guys, see, now I will start all the point what one by one. First guy, I will guys see run method, start method we have done, right? Run method, start method we have done. Guys, see, now I will call our main method guy, that is current thread. What guy? Current thread. So one thing already I have explained you guys while explaining our slide. That time I explained you current thread method is a static method guy. What guy? Current thread method is a static method. If this method is static method guy, you will call with the class name. Guys, see our class name is guy thread. You can see guy thread is our class name. So guy thread thread dot guy not thread dot guy. You can see in thread class guy we have so many method guy. Yes or no guy? But we are calling guy what? Current thread guy. You can see current thread. This method belongs to guy thread class. Correct? Guys, see current thread. Guys, see now understand. If I would like to know what is the main thread name guy. What is the main thread name? Correct? Guys, see. So I'm calling guy get name method guy. You can see here get name method. Correct? This method also belongs to thread class only. Correct? Guys, see get name method. So guys, see if you will call thread dot current thread dot get name method, that means it will give current executing thread name guy. It will give current executing thread name, and guy we can store this our guy variable as a string guy, because current thread name will consider our string only guy. Correct? So can I write current thread name. Correct guy? Current thread name. So guys, see if I would like to know what current thread name this method return, this get, once we will call this thread dot current thread dot get name. So what this method return? The value, the name of the thread guy. So if you would like to print the thread name guy, so what you can print guy? You know very well, right? Yes or no? Sysout, right? Sysout, right? And guy you can print what? Guy current thread name is, right guy? Yes. Then guy you can print current thread name guy this name guy, because after calling you have got this result guy. Yes or no guy? Yes. So guy after calling this method we got the result, means we got the name of the current executing thread, and we store into current thread name reference, and we are going to print this thing guy. So guys, see first I will run the application, we will see the result what current thread name is printing guy. Guys, see current thread name is guy main. What guy? Current thread name is guy name guy. Yes or no guy? What name guy? Name. That means we understood guy our current thread which is executed by JVM, the name of the thread is guy main. Yes or no guy? Yes guy. I hope you know this thing very well earlier. Guys, very important who is what? Fresher or intermediate. So if you would like to find the name of current executing thread, so with the help of this current thread method name and get name, you can call this guy current thread name. Guys, this is our main thread. Yes or no? Because this is executing inside the main method. Correct guy? This is our main method guy. So if you would like to call here thread dot current thread, that means in this scope guy our current thread name is a main thread. But guy, we are not satisfied. I would like to know what is the name of our child thread guy. Yes or no? Guys, see if you would like to know what is the name of our child thread, because this thread guy we have created guy. Yes or no guy? This thread we have created with the start method. That's why if we would like to know what is the current thread name of our child thread guy, no worries guy, it's very simple. What we can do guy, we come here. Yes guys, same thing we can copy and paste guy. I will change something guy, don't worry, because method call the same guy. See string current name equal to thread dot current thread dot get name guy. This time current thread name of child thread guy. So guy of child thread is, correct guy? Is guy. So guy current thread name, correct? Yes guys, see if I will run the application, we'll see guy. One thing before running the application, can you confirm what will be the output guy? Guys, see if we are going to call current thread name dot get name guy, this time our what JVM will give the name of guy thread 0 guy, because this is the first thread what we have created guy. That's why guy by default the name of the thread is guy thread 0 guy. What guy, you can see the name of the thread guy thread 0. Thread 0 will come guy. Guys see, understand first. Guys see, what wrote guy, current thread name of child thread is guy thread 0. Already I have told you guy. So guy, so this thread we have created guy, this thread we have created guy. The name of the thread is what, thread 0 guy. I hope you understood this 2 points guy, how you can find out the current executing thread name. Here guy you can see we have 2 thread. One thread is guy main thread and second thread guy child thread. Our main thread name is guy, you know, main thread name is guy, you know, main, yes no guy, main guy. But guy child thread name is guy, you know what, thread 0 guy. Already have told you guy. So by default the name of the child thread is guy thread 0 guy. I hope you remember, correct? I have understood guy, correct? Yes. Guys see, if you would like to create one more thread guy, if you would like to create one more thread, guys see I'm creating here one more thread. Don't worry guys, this time guy bmom1, guys see bmom1 dot start method guy. Tell me this time what should be the thread name guy. Guys see, I will run the application, we'll see the result, then you will understood guy. Guys see, this time guy we have created 2 thread guy, yes or no, bmm0 bmom1 guy. You can see the main thread name is guy main only, yes or no. But guy we have created 2 child thread guy, one is thread 0, one is thread 1. So guy it will take continue guy sequentially, thread 0, thread 1, thread 2, thread 3, whatever thread will create accordingly it will keep by default name of the thread guy. But guy now second point, if you would like to change the name of thread guy, if you would like to name of the thread guy, how you can change. Guys see, for that purpose guy we have one more method guy, that is set name guy. What guy, that is set name. That so that set name method will what, set the name of the what, our thread name guy. Guys see how I am going to set the name guy, you can see here. First guy I will change the name of our what, main thread name guy. I will change name of our main thread. Guys see, understand guy. Guys see, thread dot current thread dot, guys see this time I am going to call set name method guy. What guy, set name method. You can see guys set name method, and guy already have explained this thing also you guys. So set name method expect one argument guy. Set name method expect one argument, what the name you are going to override of existing thread name guy. See guys see, this time I would like to override the name of thread guy java mind. What guy, you know very well guy, java mind is our what, channel name, right? Java mind techie. Suppose guy if you would like to change the existing thread name is java mind. Earlier guy the name of thread is guy main, yes or no, already have shown you guy. If you would like to show one more time I will show you. See guys, this main. So guys see, as of now it's main guy, but I would like to change this name as a java mind techie guy explicitly. You can change also guy, you can change also the existing thread name. So guys see in this way. So guys see, now I'm going to print this thread name guy. Come here guy, you can print. So guys see, current thread name is guy, this time guy, you know, guys see this time guy how, one minute guy, you just write this thing guy, because you're going to find the get thread name, yes or no, yes. Correct guy, you can see guy what I have done here. So guy after setting the name, earlier guy existing name was what, main. Now I am going to set the name as guy java mind techie. Now I am going to what, print the name of the existing thread guy, because okay, this is under main thread. Yes or no guys? Yes. By default, JVM has given the thread name is guys main. You can see here. By default, JVM has given thread name is guys main thread. But guys, explicitly programmer or you change by guys what? Java main techie. Current thread name is now what? Java main techie. Is coming or not guys? We'll see. If it's coming guys, that means we understood this method working as expected. Guys, see. You can see here guys. Current thread name is guy main, correct? But guy, now current thread name is guy change not guy Java and techie. Guy, you don't confuse. I will what? First this 2 line I will comment guy because you may confuse. Yes or guy? Yes. Not this line guy. Yes. What happened guy? So this thread, yeah, because I'm using guy this thread name only, right? That's why it is correct only, correct guy? No worry guy. If I will give me 1 second guy. If I will comment this line, correct guys. Now guys, see I have changed the name guys. No set name guy Java main techie, correct? This line I have already commented because this is guy by default name is coming only printing this name has given by JVM, but this time guy we have what? Override whatever the earlier thread name was coming, I have override right with the Java main techie, and I'm going to print the our current thread name guy because we have used guy set name method. With set name method guy we can set the name as per our requirement, as per our guy what understanding also we can see, right? So guys, see after setting name, so guys already mentioned you this set name method expect one what argument guy as a string. That's why guys we have what passed here as a string argument. Guys, see now I will run the application. We'll see the result. It's coming as expected or not guys. Guys, see current thread name is Java main coming in guys. Yes. So guys now our this thing is working as expected. Get name also guy and set name also, both the method guy is working as expected. Guy, yes or no? Yes. Guys, see one more thing I will explain here guy. So now same thing guy I would like to check in our child thread. In child thread we are able to change the thread name or not. Yes or no guy? Because by default guy you can see coming thread 0 thread 1. Guys, see if you would like to change modify the child thread name guy, same thing guy you can use this place also. Guys, see so only this method call you need to do this place guy, nothing else guy. Guys, see guy this time I'm going to change this Java main guy. I'm going to change what? Hello child. Hello child thread. Yes one guy. This time guy I'm changing the name of the child thread. Guys, see so it's coming guy hello child thread guy. Guys, see we'll run the application. We'll see the result guy. It's coming as expected or not guy. Guys, see because I didn't commented guy this line, so this is coming guy, so I can what comment this line guy. Yes or no? Yes. Guys, see this 2 line guy I have commented, correct? Because this is giving guy what current, but guy after changing the name of thread what name is coming guy you can see guy. So guys, see after changing current thread name is guy. Yes or no? Current child thread guy, not whatever things are going to print here guy, same thing coming, correct? Yes. Guys, see I will run the application. We will see the result guy. Guys, see current child thread name is this guy, current thread name is guy Java main techie. So guy I hope you understood what thing is happening here guy. So the thing is that you can happily what change the name of the thread as well. What the thread name you want to keep, that thing that thread that the name of thread you can change guy. It's up to you. There no any restrictions are there, so you cannot change guy. You can change very happily. It's up to you. What the name of thread you can give same name it can print guy. Only you need to call the what get name method or set name method. Set name method it will set the name of the existing thread. Correct guys? Yes. Guys see, that is one part. Then guys see, one thing also I'm going to show you guys. This is interesting guys. Guys see, I'm commenting guys this overriding thread name guys. I'm opening guys this thing, opening guys this existing one. Correct guys? See guys, understand here what I'm going to do here. Guys see, so I'm going to comment guys this two line, which is override guy. Correct guy? Yes. Guys see, and I'm going to comment also this line guy. Correct. Guys see, now I will run the application, we will see results, then I will show you guys. Guys see. Guys see, so main thread, child thread, this thread. Same guy. So by default guy, main the thread name is guy, main thread name is guy, main, and our thread name guy, thread 0, thread 1. Because this time we didn't call the set name or get name method. Guys see, guys please be concentrated. Guys see, if I would like to intentionally guy, I want some exception guy, I want to print some exception guy, intentionally guy. Guys see, I'm writing guy sys out, what guy, sys out. Guys see, I'm writing guy 10 by 0, what guy, intentionally guy I've written 10 by 0. So guys definitely it will throw guys some exception, the arithmetic exception. Yes or no guys? Yes. Guys see, I will run the application, we'll see the result guys first. Guys you can see what result is printing guys. Exception thread main. Why guys this time main coming guys here? Because you know guys why it's main coming? Because this application, what the code we have written inside the guy, what, main thread guy. So this exception coming into main thread. Guys see, if you would like to what, change the name of thread guy, suppose now guy I'm commenting this line guy, understand, now I'm commenting guy this, correct, and guy I'm uncommenting this line guy. Guys see, now I will run the application, tell me guy what should result guy. Now if I will run the application, guys see, this time result will print guy exception in thread java mind techie guy. Guys see, guys understanding knowledge guy. So guy see guy what coming guy, exception in thread java mind techie. Why? Because we have modified the existing main thread name to the what, our custom thread name guy. Yes or no? So existing thread name guy, which is by default by JVM guy, that is thread name guy main thread name guy main. But guys see, if you would like to change the name of the thread guy, if you change the name of main thread guy java mind techie, yes or no, explicitly guy you have set the name as a java mind techie. That's why guy, if you will get any exception inside the main thread guy, you will get your exception in thread java mind techie. Guy yes or no? Guy yes or no? Yes. So guys see, that is guy one thing also you need to understand, how you can see this name is coming guy, why it's coming guy every time main. Any application guy in your project, if any exception came guy, you can see exception in thread main only, because in that project, in the application, you didn't what, override the what, thread name guy, main thread name you didn't override. That's why guy the name is coming main only. But guy this time for your knowledge guy, you can see here, if you override the name main thread name as a java mind techie, you can see guy what result printing java mind techie. Correct guy? Yes. So guys see, I will comment guy, this is not need guy. Guys see, then guy one method also guy we have is live. What guy? Is alive. Guys see, if I'm going to call guy is alive method guy, if I'm going to call guy is alive method, tell me guy what should result guy. Guys see, sys out, then guy we can call guy what, thread dot current thread, yes no guy, dot is alive guy. You can see this method guy gives us boolean result, true or false guy. Guys see, so guys see, if I will run the application guy, we'll see the result, what result is printing. Guys see, Guys, see, it's coming true because this time our application is live only, not dead, guy. So guys, see this method how it's work. Good, guy. So guy, I have understood. So what all the method I have told you in slide, guy. So first, guy, run method you can see, guy. Then, guy, a start method you can see, guy. Then, guy, I have explained set name, guy. Then, guy, I have explained get name. Then, guy, all have explained easy live. So guy, I hope, guy, all the method I have explained very well in very easy manner, guy. So by which we can understand very easily. Correct, guy? So guys, that's it from this video, guy. If you like the video, guy, please like, share, subscribe. So same, guy, I will bring all the method, guy. So in coming video, guy, in next video, guy, I will explain what is daemon thread. What is daemon thread? Why it is too much important for us. Guy, most of the candidate don't know. Guy, also you can see, guy, this example, this code, guy, we have, guy, 3 thread, guy. One is main thread, 2 thread we have created, guy. So 3 thread is working parallelly, guy. Yes or no, guy? So guy, a part of this multiple means so many thread also running, guy, parallelly in background, guy. In background also some thread running, guy. So guys, that concept will explain as a daemon thread in next video, guys. What is daemon thread? Why it is too much important for us? Because this question most of the interviewer asks in the interview room when they start the asking the question about multi-threading. So they may ask what is daemon thread? What is daemon thread? What's important for us? Yes or no? So all things I will explain in coming video, guys. So guys, don't skip or don't don't watch miss don't miss out to watch my coming video, guy. If you watch all the video, guy, definitely your confidence will be too improved, guy. Okay, thank you, guy. So as of now, so we'll bring important video in next video, guy, that is daemon thread. Thank you, guy. Bye bye. We'll meet very soon in next video, guy.